Just give me 2 minutes, guys. I'm setting up something. Okay. So, hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto VC, crypto trade room. And today, as always, we are going to discuss what our outline for crypto is going to be for the coming week, for the coming days. Basically, as you all know, we are going to analyze Bitcoin and Ethereum mainly. And based on that analysis, we are going to look for trade setups on other pairs. So, and we are going to I am going to break down all the trades which I've taken this month inside our Telegram channel. So, at this point, we are standing at somewhere around, I guess, 5 hour or 6 hour. So, for this month, we are up. Yeah, for this month, so our month starts from 15th. So it's been 15 days. We're up almost 5 hour or 6 hour. I don't remember. I need to check that again. But don't worry. We are going to break down all those trades today again. And yeah, let's start. Harsh says you are in Ethereum long already. Wow. Let me check. So Bitcoin weekly, that was I think I've discussed this in the last trade room. This was not a great close for bulls, to be frank. That was not great close for bulls in this time frame at least. So in this time frame, in this weekly time frame, I can see that price coming towards at least one of these lows, at least towards previous week's lows. And if it comes to this small fair value gap here, that would be lovely scenario for longs again. Obviously, we need to see the reaction there. Don't just blindly buy from these levels. Let's go to daily time frame again. So daily, as I've outlined, we're just chopping in this entire week. We're just chopping here. We still haven't closed below this, but if today if we close below this, then probably I can build this scenario, to be honest. So if we see a candle close below this bullish fair value up here, I will frame shorts in all the trades which I'm going to build from today. So today's close is very important. As of now, I am staying neutral to bearish. So based on today's close, I'll determine my bias. And let's go to 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour, as I said already, we're just chopping here inside this range. Now, very interesting trade idea which I can see here is two ideas. Number one, if we take out this low, which we are definitely going to take out, and if we see some bullish signs here, probably some SMTs with Ethereum and some bullish confirmations from here, then probably I can assume that we are again closing back inside this daily fair value gap in the daily time frame. That honestly I don't want that because that gives us a lot of problems again. If we come lower and go higher and close again in this range, then I can expect a longer consolidation here, which I don't want to happen. So that will ruin all our plays. So I don't want that to happen. So this 4 hour candle has 1.5 an hour left. So if we close below this with a solid volumes, solid strength, that I'll be interested in. I'll be interested in that scenario, something like this. So I am more leaning towards neutral to bearish scenario. Let me mute this guy. Yeah. I'm more leaning to neutral to bearish scenario in Bitcoin. We will see some more plays. 1 hour, yeah, basically 1 hour is also same. You can see clearly price trading in some kind of a range, creating some range, taking out that range high, and then heading lower. So clear bearish indications, but we need to wait and watch how are we going to react at this low. As I said, if we react, if we see some bullish, if we see some bullish reactions here, then that should be a problem. I think again we are going to be in this range if we see some bullish reaction there. So that's my take on Bitcoin. Now let's come back to Ethereum. At this point, very different charts, Bitcoin and Ethereum on higher time frames. You can see it clearly. We have a very, very, very big SMT here. But yeah, I'm not stressing that out, but you can see that Ethereum is very much under pressure when compared to Bitcoin. So let's go to daily time frame. So weekly, all here also it is same. At this point, we are trading inside this order block where we have seen this liquidity build up here and taking out that we haven't closed above it yet. So it would be an ideal scenario for us to retrace back towards these lows. Let's go to daily time frame. So even on daily time frame, this is very. But the thing is, this looks too good to be true. This looks too good to be true. So we need to be very careful in choosing our buyers now. I mean, just looking at it, I'm pretty sure at least I'm pretty sure a lot of shots have already been built here. So that is an alarming situation for us if we want to enter in some long positions now. So one point to be very careful for us that all the other people are already in shots. So that is a danger situation for shots. So let's see. We have a daily bullish fair value up here for our. Let's see. I really want price to take out these equal lows here, and I want to see how are we reacting here. Similar to Bitcoin, I want to see how. Okay, Bitcoin already took it. That's great. Ethereum hasn't. Let me compare both. That is definitely an SMT here. Oh, I think. Oh, okay. Hers. Now I'm getting your long. Now I'm getting your long idea. I think that looks fantastic. Not my setup though, but that looks good. I think that should be looking good. Yeah, bro, that is looking good. Let me look if I can find an entry here. Okay, that is a good one only. I'm just looking for some more things here. If I would have something here uh, very clear, I would have taken it. But at this point, I'm not seeing anything solid here. I mean, yeah, we have this. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Oh, yeah, 1 hour looks good. Okay, I think I missed that. But that was a really good trade, bro. SMT with the lows. Yeah. Okay, so now Bitcoin should also react here. Okay, but I'm not liking how it formed these lows. So probably we might come back to revisit these lows. So be careful in that. But I think Ethereum is sorted. We have SMTs at the lows. Yeah, hold it, bro. Hold it. I might miss Ethereum trade, but I will figure out some other trades. So don't worry. So yeah, guys. So that's my short bias on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Solana. I think I've missed a very good trade on Solana. I was about to call that out, but it's okay. So basically, this order block here, trade. Obviously, we won't keep stop loss just attached to that. But anyway, it would have been a stop loss because our target would have been somewhere there. And one more trade, I was keeping it on on my radar, but I missed it. That is near. I think near only. Let me check it. Yeah. So this was a trade I'm watching. That was very beautiful trade. If you can see, these are the setups which I do prefer trading. Right, even in now in Ethereum, that is a setup which you are getting. But am I confident enough? Probably not because of this impulse down move. Whereas if you see it in near, it has accumulated for a longer period of time, so that it has created a lot of liquidity here. So that would have been a very good trade. Uh, but very unfortunate I've missed it. That's okay. That's okay. And one more similar setup is Ave, I guess. Let me check. The okay, it hit stop loss. I was talking about this. It hit stop loss, but I've missed this. That was also a good setup. Stop loss here and targeting for a 6 hour or something. But to be honest, we would have booked at 3 hour. But very good setup though. I've missed it. So yeah. Now Ethereum also is giving a similar setup. Let's just test this one because we have missed this trade. Let's just test this trade for a 1:7 hour. Can you check dot? Why not? Can dot USDT. If you remember, this is our long back wound. Can we go in for Ethereum? No, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. No, I'm not going in for Ethereum. I feel we can find much better structures. Dot, it is still ranging, no? But I fear this trend line here. I want to say it bullish, but I'm scared by after seeing this liquidity getting formed here. So probably one more round lower and then higher. I don't think it is ready yet. Dot. XRP. Okay. What is this XRP? What are you watching? Let me check. So if you remember, we were maintaining a bullish bias on this based on the analysis which I've analyzed on the past. That too, I'm pretty sure I've analyzed it in VC only. Okay. But weekly, not good delivery, no. Not a great delivery to be bullish. Reacting from that high. No good POIs here. Let's see. Let me go to daily time frame. Daily looks a bit interesting. Interesting. Swept all this, creating so much liquidity here, similar to here. Daily looks interesting. 4 hour, we have inversed this. Okay, you're looking for shorts. Okay. Yeah, bro. These lows are not looking good for me. And these highs are also not looking good for me. So maybe this is a no trading range. This should be a no trading range. If we take out these highs, give us some reaction, then you can look for shorts. If we take this low, some reaction, then you can look for longs. I would plan in such way. Got it, Harsh? Yeah. Just give me 1 minute. Will BTC break all-time high again? Let me check. At this point, very tough unless we close daily again in this level. We close daily above 100 and 100 and above 107,330 levels. It is very tough for it to break all-time highs again. If we close above that, then yes, it has a chance to break all-time highs again. Can you give my view on Doge? Yes. Why not? Okay, so Doge overall it is also still ranging, but if you ask me, I would say you will get a very good scenario once we take out this low. But if you want a trade in these scenarios, it would be a bit tricky. But this is especially for you, since you are bullish on Ethereum and all. Why not? You can attempt a trade here also if you're that confident on Ethereum. At this point, I'm not that confident on Ethereum, so I will ignore it. But if you are that confident, I think you can try this. This was our previous trade. Can you help me check a forex pair? Okay, yeah, I can absolutely. I'm already in that long. Okay, got it. And yeah, let's finish Aniket's doubt and then let's go for the trade breakdowns. Yeah, Aniket, you can go ahead. XAU USD. Okay, what's up? What are you watching? For longs, yes, as I said in the evening VC, New York VC, yes, looks good. Looks good. Short, okay, 3320. Okay. Can you share your analysis? Why did you short? Because of this order block. If you're short because of that order block, yeah, that makes sense. But if you watch the recent price action, it is just creating, it is just breaking all the bearish order blocks, bearish POIs, bearish fair value gaps. But yeah, if your analysis is shorting from this order block, Yeah, you can hold it, but what I feel is two things. One, maybe we can see a bit consolidation here or an up move. Looking at the place from where it is reacting. So tap the daily fair value gap. I think it should head higher in my opinion, but we'll see. I think again today's candle close is going to play a very important role in gold also. So Bitcoin, so gold, I would I would say I'll be slightly neutral, slightly bullish to neutral. But Bitcoin, I won't comment anything. I would say neutral now. I was neutral to bearish, but looking at the reaction here, that's what I was discussing, right? I was bearish when price is somewhere here. Then I have said that if we take out this low, if we see some reaction, then we might either range or we might be bullish. But we are seeing that reaction now. So I'll be neutral for now, and then yeah, basically I'll be neutral for now. Shall I book partials? Absolutely, yes, you can book partials. I think you should. Okay, so now let me break down some of my trades this week, which I've put. So not all winners only. Obviously, I'm not a bot or something. I do have losses, and trading does have losses. So yes, this is a trade which I took. To be honest, OD USDT. So I have placed a short order here, stop loss here, aiming for a 4.3 R. But as soon as I think, okay, I have shorted somewhere here, I guess. Yeah, back then Bitcoin was doing something like this Wednesday 6.8. Yeah, these lows. Somewhere here Bitcoin was. So I was in that short, but Bitcoin didn't look promising to me. So I've set exit at break even. You can join the Telegram and check yourself. I don't want to waste time here showing the Telegram, but if you want to join Telegram, you can contact Havenark Care. Havenark, you can contact our team. They'll provide you with the link. And I trade with CoinSwitch, uh, where I mean we all trade with CoinSwitch, and we only trade with CoinSwitch. Yeah, if you want to trade with us, just contact our team. They'll help you. It's completely free. Okay, so this was a trade. Basically, order block. We're building up for the long period of time. So that was a trade, but it's okay. Sometimes gut feeling says right. So I was right here, exiting at break even. So no loss here. The next trade which I want to show you guys is something called auction. Yeah, this is a trade. So, I mean, very, very simple. All my trades are going to be analyzed in 1 hour time frame because I've already analyzed majority of the. I've already derived a bias in my mind by analyzing Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I generally don't do all time frame analysis across all the pairs because if you look at it for just Bitcoin and Ethereum, it took us almost 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes to analyze. So if I try to do all the pair analysis, then probably I'll run out of time. But yeah, so that's how I see things. Ritvik is also investing in crypto. Oh, you saw Ritvik joining VCs? Yes. Who knows? Something might be cooking up from Ritvik. So, yeah. Okay. So, yes. What I'm trying to say is I am not going to analyze all the time frames in all all pairs, all coins. Sorry, I've just come out from forex VC. So for me, pairs, I just sit pairs. Yeah, I'm not going to analyze all the time frames in all the coins, but I am going to focus more on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frames. So auction, if you look at it, look how beautifully this trend line liquidity formed, and look how beautifully it came lower. So that interested me a lot. Ideally our original take profit is somewhere at these highs for 5 hour, but looking at how we delivered inside this, I felt we are going to play this bigger range. So see, that's what experience gets you. You can get when are you going to see the range. Uh, can I teach you with? Can I teach you like A, B, C strategies? Probably not. I can't teach you these things. How to find consolidations and all. Uh, when you see charts, when you see the same thing coming over and over again, you'll automatically know it most of the times. Obviously, not all the times you can be right. So whenever I saw this sweep happening, and I thought that we are going to get an impulse move right from here, but whenever I saw that it retracing again and again coming higher slowly, then I thought, okay, probably we are getting trapped in a bigger consolidation. I don't want to hold trades for that such long time, for such long period of times. So the entry was on Sunday. The call out was given on I think Sunday only. Yeah, Sunday. Entry was Sunday. Exit was on Tuesday, and today is Thursday. Price is still at the same range. So that was a trade. Order block inducement happened here. Good liquidity build up. Tap at the order entry at the tap of the order block. Stop loss below the order block, and we have got 2 RR in this. So the next trade is dot. So where was the trade? Let me check. I'm just checking in, guys. Give me 1 minute. All my markings have got deleted. I don't know why, but all my markings are getting deleted. I think that was a trade in 30 minutes. When was that? Just give me 1 minute. Around 25th. Yeah, maybe somewhere here, I think. Oh, yeah. Now I get it. Oh, yeah. So this was a trade here. Entry here. Stop loss below these lows. And I was targeting for a 7 hour in this. So again, very good setup, I would say. I would, but am I going to rate it as A plus? Probably not. Probably A and B plus, because if you have 30 minutes looks really good. If we had similar kind of a setup in 1 hour time frame, I would have rated it as A plus, but it hasn't. So probably we caught in this bigger trend line. So that is okay. Just went for our stop loss and then slowly grinding up now. So we'll see how it goes. But that was the trade. That was a. We'll join later. Got to go now. Cool, bro. See you. So that was a trade. That was a loss we took. And one more thing is I think Bitcoin short I took on 21st. Let me check. Yeah, I remember this. I definitely remember this. Somewhere here I took a shot. Yes, in 15 minutes. Okay, sometimes it happens. You think you are much smarter than all the people. So similar thing happened to me. So price swept all-time highs, and the only see more. This is more of a psychological reason why I shorted this, because when it is near all-time highs, you know that, right? A lot of buyers are getting involved here. So that gives us a very good opportunity for shorts if we see a setup. So I saw this setup for shorts. I think again, let me take you to 15 minutes. I think it is in 15 minutes only. Yeah, this is more like a forex setup, to be honest. Oh yeah, somewhere here, not there. My bad. Yeah, this is a setup which I was talking about. So price is very close to all-time highs. So majority of the players were building longs here, which is a very good opportunity to see price doing this. So I just wanted to capitalize on that move, and I saw this immediate impulse and got tempted to short at this inversion fair value gap. So took a short here, stop loss here, and took a very quick stop loss. So that is another loss which I've got this month. And the next trade which I am going to 1 minute. I'm going to show you is, I think I've broke down all those other trades also with you guys. Link. Yeah, basically this trade. So very clean trade. Similar to that trade which we have lost. Which trade? Let me just quickly tell the trade which we have lost. That or this trade. Very similar to this trade which we have lost. Just try to observe this. That and this. But this also haven't given us a full TP. So we have booked it at 3 hour luckily. That was the bottom. See, sometimes that's what I'm saying. You need to give it time, and you will get to know what are the things happening there. If you're seeing again and again the same thing repeating, you will get to see it what's going to happen. So that is it. Just one more minute. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. So that is the trade. So currently we are standing at around 5 RR. In all the trades are being shared in Telegram group, Telegram channel. If you are someone who is not a part of Telegram yet, you know what you are missing. Last month we have made 6 RR. So this month we are already up 5 R. It's just been 15 days into the month for us. So let's see if we can hit that 10 RR. I am really keeping this as a goal, 10 risk to reward, 10 RR. So let's see if we can make it. And now, yeah, guys, this is what I wanted to tell from my side, cryptos. You have any questions? Do you guys have any questions? So what I am seeing right now is we are building up a lot of liquidity on the downsides. So that is one thing which is restricting me to take trades, to be honest. See, all the pairs we are creating trendline liquidities or equal lows. are all see every coin is creating a lot of liquidity on the downside. So that is the only reason which I am being a bit skeptical on taking trades. Except Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks super cool, really good. Let's see if it can sustain higher prices. But all other pairs have a lot of build up liquidity lower. So we need to see, just going through some of these. Peak. Okay. Bake, I think a trade is setting up. Not today, not today, not for today, but probably in this week. Let me add this to my watch list. In this week, probably we are consolidating slowly here, and then we tap this, and then we go higher. I think big is looking good. Let me put my alert here. So if we head lower from here, it would be somewhere around 5 hour. Okay, 3.7 hour trade. So I'll be interested in this. I have kept this as my watch list. Let me go through one more time just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Swing trade can take, yes, majority of our trades are we are holding for at least 1 day. So yes, you can take swing trades with CoinSwitch Pro Future platform. One inch also looks good, but I think we still need a move lower. I'm still saying it. I'm not confident on Bitcoin's bullish move. I'm not confident on I'm not confident on that move yet. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not confident on this move yet. Okay, near what happened here. Could have tried this, but could have been very risky also. If you are trying this, our stop loss should be this. Then risk to reward ratio will be very less, not worth trading it. CRV also has a lot of liquidity lower. CHG also has similar story. TIA took out liquidity here. Oh, okay. This looks interesting. Let me check the left. Okay, left side is probably the worst. We have a confirmation here. Go to 1 hour. This is very interesting, guys. This we're accumulating here. So this low should be a liquidity hunt here towards this order block. And entry there. Stop loss below and low. You will be getting how much? Not worth it for just 2.5 hour. It might take days to do this. But still, I'll keep watching it. I'll put that in my watch list. I'm asking for long term, any monthly expiry time like our Indian markets. No, there won't be any thing. If you're trading options, obviously it will be there, but futures nothing. DYDX thing there, nothing there. Ethereum, as I said, I'm not confident yet on bullish moves. IP decent setup, but it came with that Bitcoin setup, so I'm not confident yet. The only thing which is looking too good for me is Bake. Probably I'll set my orders, but wait for my call out in Telegram group. Until then, don't execute anything. I will give you a call out in the group. But this is the only thing which is looking good for me, at least for now. Let me delete all other things. Okay. So this is the only one which looks good for me, to be honest. And yeah, guys, I think that's all for today. Cool then. If you have any questions, do reach out to us. And don't forget, it's completely free joining Telegram group. So do join Telegram group. And thank you for joining in today, guys. We'll see you again in some other trade wars this week. See you guys. Bye bye. Have a great day.